Ooh, this lighting.
Ooh, this lighting.
Ooh.
This lighting.
Oh.
Ooh,
Whoa.
this lighting.
Whoa.
Ooh.
Whoa. My name is Bob. Can you eat mine?
No.
No, it's probably not even bad. But
Then why don't
you like licorice? I don't.
No, just eat it.
I don't like either one.
Here.
It's going in here.
No.
Then you eat it. I don't like licorice. Jesus, hold my way. Jesus, Jesus. Oh my God, if I fall out the chair. I thought I blocked her. Tried to go in on me. Let's just get that clear. You ain't going on nobody. You tried to. Look, ow, I just bit my tongue. People, oh my gosh. Oh, don't say it. Let's get. Are you about to hit that? Why do you have that?
What?
Okay, and I can't wait to go back to school. And I can't wait to go back to school. Put on my ass. Put on my ass. I roll. I'm not dealing with this. I'm going home. Call me an Uber. I'm out of here. And I can't wait to go back to school. Do I look bald yet? Yes. Okay, good to know. You know they would get beat up because they already know they would get hurt. But you know it's bad because I remember you. I remember having to block you multiple times. What? Thirsty. It wasn't that funny. I got it. I got it. Wait. Okay. Let's get started. Right. So, I just need to handle this. Hold up. What in the devil? Don't make a lot of noise. I am filming. Thanks. Camera sticking up. Viewfinder is upside down. Battery about to die. Storage full. Lighting too bright. It's just a mess, y'all. Out of focus. This whole camera. Oh my gosh. Can you stop? I'm really about to. Your breath smells like. Oh my god. Stop.